Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Jadhav. My today's topic is drug discovery and development classes. First of all, drug discovery and development are used for the development of new medicine to treat the diseases. Drug discovery. Drug discovery is a identification and development of a new medicine to treat the diseases. It involves the pharmacology, chemistry, and clinical research. The drug discovery and development process are expensive. It cost in billions, and time period for the drug discovery and development are 10 to 15 years. The main goal of a drug discovery and development process is to safety, efficacy, and affordable product are available to the public. Public health improve by the drug discovery and development process. Stages of drug discovery and development. First, target identification. Second, tar- target validation. Third, hit identification. Fourth, hit to lead optimization. And fifth, lead optimization. Sixth, preclinical trials. And seventh, clinical trials. First, target identification. In the target identification, the target are identified by the enzymes. Example, AC enzymes in hypertension, HIV enzymes in HIV infection. Second, target validation. In the target validation, they confirm the target and they produce the therapeutic effect or not. Example, sRNA. Third, hit identification. Hit identification are the process stages of drug discovery and development. It finds the chemical compound hit that interact with the target, which produce the effect of drug. Methods used in the hit identification: high throughput screening, random screening are used in the hit identification. Fourth stage is hit to lead optimization. Hit to lead optimization involve the refine the hit to the lead compound with a better activity and lesser the side effect. It involves the potency, selectivity, stability, and toxicity of the drug. Fifth, lead optimization. Lead optimization are involve the further modification of lead compound structure to improve efficacy, safety, and pharmacokinetic properties. It involves the medicinal chemistry and in vivo study, in vitro study. It reduces the toxicity of a drug. And fifth stage is preclinical trials. Preclinical trials are done on the lab, chemical labs and on the animals. First, in vitro study. In vitro study are produced in the labs and on the cell culture. Second, in vivo study. In vivo study are done on the animals. Third, pharmacokinetic. Pharmacokinetic are the drug, what drug do with the body. It involve the absorption, distribution, metabolism, and excretion. Pharmacodynamic, what body do with the drug. And fifth, toxicity. Toxicity, the harmful effect of drug. Last stage, clinical trial. Clinical trial are involve the five five phases, but the three phases are main phases. Phase 0 and phase 4 are not phase 1. In phase 1, it is a microdosing phase. It involves the 20 to 20 healthy patient for the trial. Uh, it its main goal to safety of a patient. Phase second. The phase second are based on the safety and efficacy of a drug. It involves the 20 to 100 healthy patient for the clinical trials. Phase 3. Phase 3 are involve 300 to 3000 healthy patient for the clinical trial. After the completion of a phase 3, the drug goes to the NDR submitted, and NDR submitted, the phase 4 are started. The phase 4 involve the post marketing surveillance. Post marketing surveillance are the after the after marketing the drug, the drug are produce the better effect or not, they are measured in the phase 4. Thank you.